Look out, Jeff. Get out of her way.
So close in front of the camera for too much damage.
Let's go. Shit.
Anthony, here's the cottage cheese. Here. My dad wants this.
Cottage cheese.
Find a place for him. Don't drop him.
What do you think about these melons? You still recording? How about these melons?
Decent.
Pretty sexy, ain't they?
Who's that guy up there? What the hell is he doing?
We're like teenagers. We're like stopping. Oh, get out of the game. Let's get that pickle food. Everybody want to go to post. How you doing? Woo! How you doing, miss?
Someone like them empty and them dog shit.
He's supposed to...
Take a picture of you, yeah?
He takes pills. Kind of cuckoo. He thinks he's Mickey Mouse. He's there.
HTP. This is an H-Town top. How much this? How much this is? You on there, Reggie?